Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back today with another project for you. For today's tutorial, we're learning how to make this owl Christmas tree ornament. It's a sewing project that goes together pretty darn fast, so you'll be able to sew up a whole tree full of cloth owls for your Christmas trees and autumn decor in no time at all. Don't need the ornament? Skip the ribbon and make a whole bowl full of fall owls. Or even add some crushed walnut shells for the filling and turn them into a pincushion. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out the blog at debsdays.com for many more sewing and crafting projects. And my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs, is where you'll find the written version of many of my projects with step-by-step instructions, color photos, and printable templates. And since these are digital download patterns, you can print them at home and get started on your next sewing project today. I've added links in the description below this video. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project you'll need fabric, felt, buttons, ribbon, and fiberfill stuffing. If you're making a pincushion, add crushed walnut shells to that list. First, place one piece of fabric with the right side of the fabric facing up. On top, place the other piece of fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down. Center the template on this stack and pin it in place. Use the template to cut out the fabric stack, then use the beak and eye templates to cut out the eyes and the beak from your felt scraps. Place one of the owl fabrics with the right side of the fabric facing up. Referring to the placement diagram, add the eyes and beak. I like to use a glue stick to provide a temporary hold. Stitch the beak in place by hand or by machine. And center the buttons in the middle of the felt eyes and stitch them in place to secure. Fold the ribbon in half and place the raw edges of the ribbon at the top of the finished owl piece with the loop facing to the inside. Center the other piece of owl fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down on top of your finished owl piece. And use fabric clips or pins to secure. Stitch around the outside of the owl using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, leaving a space open on the bottom for turning. Clip your corners and notch your curves, and turn it right side out. Fold the opening under a 1/4 inch and press it to form a sharp crease, but be sure not to iron the felt or the buttons. Fill the owl with fiberfill stuffing, filling it as full as desired. Then use a ladder stitch or a slip stitch to close the opening. And just like that, just that fast, you have your own owl ornament, or stuffed owl, or a pincushion. If you'd like to see more projects like this one, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, check out the blog at debsdays.com, or visit my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. See you next time with another project.